It's time for another video. Hey everybody, it's me, Namaisa. I know I've been MIA, but I'm okay. Don't worry. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've been just fluttering about here and there. I'm okay. I'm doing well, just so you know. But yeah, today I thought, why not get Colorfull and do a tutorial? It's been a while. You've been asking for it, so hi. I'm back. So how are we feeling this dramatic, colorful eye? You liking it? You do? Come on, I know you like it. I know you want to try it. Anyway, if you want to know how I did this look, then you know what you gotta do. Anyway, let's start the tutorial. So I already primed my eye area with the NYX Cosmetics Prove It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. Now I'm gonna take the Sugarpill Cosmetics Velocity Eyeshadow, and I'm applying that on the inner part of my crease with windshield wiper motions, just to blend the harshness of the eyeshadow out. Now I'm taking Sugarpill's Kimchi eyeshadow, and I'm connecting that to Velocity, so just to create a small gradient in blue eyeshadows. Now I'm taking Sugarpill's Poison Plum eyeshadow, and I'm applying that on top of that Velocity eyeshadow, so on the inner part of my crease, and I'm just gonna blend that out, upwards and out. Now I'm gonna take Butter Cupcake, so another eyeshadow by Sugarpill Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply that right above that Poison Plum mixture. So just a little bit of a gradient. It kind of reminds me of the colors you see in an oil spill, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking Sugarpill's Taco eyeshadow, and I'm applying that on my brow bone, and this is going to be my brow bone highlight. I'm also using it to blend out a little bit of that Kimchi eyeshadow, just to create a smooth transition, you know, a beautiful gradient. I don't want any harsh lines. For my cut crease, I'm using this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC20, and with a small shadow brush by Colored Rain, I'm going to cut my crease. And I'm going to go a little higher than my actual crease to create more lid space. Now I'm gonna take this shimmery eyeshadow, it's called Gleam, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease, or my newly created crease, sort of say. So I'm applying that eyeshadow really close on the edge of that cut crease, and then I'm gonna blend that out. Now I'm gonna take Sugarpill's Butter Cupcake eyeshadow again, and I'm first gonna apply that on the inner part of my lid. And then right next to it, I'm gonna take Sugarpill's Dolly Pop eyeshadow and apply that on the center of my lid. I'm also gonna blend in a little bit of Poison Plum eyeshadow, so I'm gonna blend that into Dolly Pop, and of course blend that into the outer part of my crease just a little bit. Not all the way. Now I'm gonna take Velocity eyeshadow again, and I'm applying that right underneath my lower lash line till about halfway, and I'm gonna blend that out, so blend it out downwards a lot. After that, I'm applying Poison Plum eyeshadow right on top, but I'm not gonna blend it down as far as Velocity eyeshadow. But I am going to connect it to the crease, so the top part of my eye. And for my eyeliner, of course, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner Pen. And I'm just going to create a small eyeliner, so I'm just following the shape of my eyelid. And before I forget, I also applied a lot of Taco eyeshadow on my tear duct area. So now I've applied my false lashes, let's move on with the rest of my face. So to continue with the hemp trend, I'm using another NYX Cosmetics product. This one is the Bear With Me Hemp Radiant Perfecting Primer. Ooh, it has a color to it. Not quite sure how that's gonna translate onto my skin, but let's see. It does smell really, really nice. Oh dear God. Oh, I may have applied a little too much, but we'll see. Must admit, it feels nice. Glowy, but so far from what I can tell, it's not like overwhelming. It may look like that on camera, but in person, it's not that bad. Now, I looked at it up close and in the mirror. It did leave a little, like a tiny bit of a cast on my skin, simply because I am darker skin toned. It kind of reminds me of those MAC strobe creams, you know, that have a tint to it. It's not too bad now that it's kind of drying up. It is a tiny bit sticky. I'll hold off on my opinion on this product until I apply the foundation. For my skin, I'm gonna stick with the Bare With Me products. So this time I'm gonna use the Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil. I've been using this a lot as my base lately, simply because I like the amount of coverage that it gives me just for on a daily basis, you know, when I just quickly wanna put on something on my skin to make me look a little bit more fresh. But when I combine it with my heavy duty concealers, it's more full coverage and it definitely looks a lot more like foundation, I guess. So this is going to be my base. And I like to apply this with a flat kabuki brush. This one is actually by Unicorn Cosmetics. I just stipple it on first and then I'm going to blend that into my skin. I don't know if the Radiant Perfecting Primer is for me and for my skin type. I much rather stick with the Bare With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. Yeah, I'm just, you know, just gonna be honest. So now I'm gonna brighten up my under eye. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, as always, in the shade Medium. And of course, I'm just gonna blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Then to conceal some imperfections, I'm going to use this NYX Cosmetics Pro Foundation Palette. As you can see right here, here are all the shades. Now, I think you can guess which shades I have been using. I just like to use a mixture of this one, a little bit of this one, and that one. And I'm going to apply that first with this large shader brush by Nancy. And once I've stippled it on, I'm just going to use my beauty blender and blend it out. So I quickly applied my setting powder off of camera. So to bronze / contour my face, I'm going to use this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt Trio in the shade Medium. Ta-da! With this large powder brush by Nancy, just to bring back some definition. I always feel like my face is very flat when I do my setting powder and everything, so... And because I'm a big girl, I can use all the definition I can get. So recently I went to another NYX Cosmetics NL swatch party and they introduced their new Sweet Cheeks blushes. The color I will be using today is called Summer Breeze. So for every matte version of the blush, they also have a glow version or shimmer version. The glow blushes you can definitely use as eyeshadow or maybe even as a highlighter. If you're darker than me, you can definitely pull that off. But today I'm going with matte. Oh, look, just a cute little thing going on here. So for my lips, I'm going to use the new NYX Cosmetics Lingerie Push-Up Long Lasting Lipstick. So the great thing is that, okay, yes, it looks like a pencil, great. Usually you never have a sharp tip anymore once you've used them once, but luckily they put in a little sharpener so you can sharpen the lipstick whenever you need a sharp tip. Now I'm going to use another NYX Cosmetics product. It's their Filler Instinct plumping lip polish. This is in the shade New Money, and this is legit a polish. This is not like a really pigmented, you know, gloss or lip lacquer. It is a glittery polish. And there we go, that was it for the entire look. Now obviously I'm wearing fake glasses right now. Okay, like legit fake. Here is the look. Super cute, colorful, bright, in your face. Definitely a look you would wear while going shopping. I mean, hey, why not? If people are gonna stare, then give them something to stare at, right? In case you're wondering about my hair, I just put my own hair in a big bun up top, and I use this hair, aka a wig, as a ponytail. Let me know, do you want me to switch over completely to IGTV because I'm really thinking about it, or do you just want me to keep uploading on here as well? Just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. All you have to do is type in Makeup by Namaisa on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, of course, and hit that notification bell so you know whenever I'm uploading a new video. Thank you all so much, and until the next one, bye!